Scientists have found tiny pieces of plastic called microplastics inside the fatty buildups that can actually clog people's blood vessels. This is a new study suggests that having these plastic bits in your blood vessels might make you more likely to have heart problems. This study was published on March 7th of 2024. Definitely watch till the end as I will teach you how you can detoxify. See, the researchers looked at around 300 people in Italy who had surgery to remove these fatty buildups, which are called plaques. When they analyzed the plaques, they actually found small pieces of common plastics like the ones used in plastic bags, bottles, pipes, and medical devices. So here are some key findings from the study. 1. People who had microplastics in their plaques were 4.5 times more likely to have complications like heart attacks, strokes, or even death compared to those without the plastic bits. 2. Over about 3 years, 20% of patients with microplastics in their plaques had a complication compared to only 7.5% of patients without the plastic pieces. 3. The amount of microplastics in the plaques was linked to higher levels of inflammation markers in the body. So while the study doesn't prove that the microplastics directly cause the increased risk of heart issues, it does show an important connection that needs to be studied more. And microplastics are a growing concern because they're found everywhere in our environment, from the food we eat to the air we freaking breathe. As the climate gets warmer, of course, plastics breaks down even more easily, which could make the problem worse. And scientists think that microplastics might cause harm by increasing inflammation in the body. They also worry that chemicals from the plastic could actually leach into our tissues. More research is needed to understand exactly how microplastics affect our health, but this study is an important step in figuring out the potential risks. In the meantime, it's a good idea to try to reduce your exposure to plastic by using reusable bags and bottles, avoiding single-use plastic, and properly disposing of plastic waste. So while the research on how to remove microplastics from the human body is still in its early stages, here are some general steps you can take to support your body's natural detoxification processes and minimize your exposure to microplastics. 1. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps your body flush out toxins, including microplastics, through urine and sweat. Make sure you include magnesium ionic chloride with trace minerals to hydrate properly and mineralize your cells. 2. Eat a fiber-rich diet. Consuming foods high in fiber such as fruits and vegetables can actually help bind to microplastics in your gut and promote their elimination through bowel movements. 3. Consider using a sauna. See, sweating in a sauna may help eliminate microplastics and other toxins through your skin. 4. Support your liver and kidneys. So these organs play a crucial role in filtering toxins from your body. So eating a healthy diet, staying hydrated, and avoiding excess alcohol and processed foods can help support their function. And 5. Minimize your exposure to microplastics by avoiding using single-use plastic and opt for reusable alternatives like glass or stainless steel. Use a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter to reduce microplastic dust in your home. Wash synthetic clothing less frequently and use a microfiber catching laundry bag or filter. Choose personal care and beauty products that don't contain microbeads or glitter. Filter your drinking water to remove microplastics. 6. Consider taking probiotics and prebiotics. These can actually help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which may play a role in eliminating microplastics and reducing inflammation. 7. Support your body's detoxification pathways. Eating sulfur-rich foods like garlic and cruciferous vegetables, as well as taking supplements like milk thistle and acetyl-L-cysteine, glutathione, and taurine will help support your body's natural detoxification processes. It is very important to note that while these strategies may help, more definite research is needed to fully understand how effectively we can remove microplastic from the human body. Now, focusing on minimizing exposure and supporting overall health is the best approach based on current knowledge.